Hello guys! Welcome to the Town of Vienna Police Department Cops and Kids Fun Run. The Cops and Kids Fun Run was held on Sunday, September 18th, 2022. It was between 11 to 2 p.m. at Vienna Elementary School. Every child who participates in the race will win a medal. This event has various other activities. This year's event included police helicopter, music and dancing, face painting, dunk a cop dunk tank, and food and drinks. The Cops and Kids Fun Run is a community event by the Town of Vienna Police Department and its participating sponsors. This event is free to the public. It provides a great opportunity for the community to interact with the officers of the police department. Kids will get a free t-shirt and a goodie bag with it. There's various selections for the face paint, but I chose the butterfly because they're really pretty. Did you see who did my face paint? Princess Snow White did it. In the face painting station, I saw so many princesses like Belle, Tinkerbell, Alice. They provide free food for the participants. Here comes the most exciting thing. The police helicopter landed on the school grounds. And we got a chance to see how a police helicopter looks like.
Did you ride in the helicopter? Guys, say thank you.
Раз, Соня. Раз, два, три. Sorry.
Aiden, look here! Helen!
I saw my eye in that
The police officers were so nice. They answered all our questions.
5 seconds and let someone else have a turn, okay? Sound like a plan?
Kyla, come here.
Hold on.
Here, Renee, I'm gonna let you
That's what we can see.
We really enjoyed this event. If you want to come here next year, you can. It was really fun.
You can go hop right back.
Me and my friends played in the bouncy castles. After some time, the helicopter took off. Then we said bye to the police officers inside the helicopter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.